What if you could dramatically transform a room in just a couple minutes, adding both style and function? Meet the DEZ Furnishings 1-inch light filtering cellular shade. Cordless for sleek look, energy efficient, and designed to let in just the right amount of light. But how well do they actually work? I bought these to finally add some much needed privacy to my kitchen, living, and family room. I was totally nervous about making a purchase like this online rather than with a blind specialist or a home improvement store, but the price made these so tempting, I decided to give them a shot. I carefully measured each window, making sure to round down to the nearest width and round up to the nearest length so they would fit each window well. Then I clicked order, buying shades for each of our 17 windows. Right out of the box, I took a big sigh of relief as I noticed the attention to detail. They come with everything you need for installation except a screwdriver or drill. With the help of our trusty drill, installation was as easy as it gets. Measure your window, attach the brackets, snap the shade into place, and you're done. In 5 to 10 minutes per window, you've upgraded your space. My clever husband made this little jig to make the process even easier. He just drilled 2 screws the correct distance from the window and then gave it a little tap with the hammer to add pilot holes in the perfect spots. As a result, we finished all these in about an hour and a half. The cordless feature is a game changer. I love the peace of mind of not having cords in a home with kids and pets. And it also gives the shades a clean, modern appearance, which is totally why I wanted shades rather than drapes. These cellular shades filter sun beautifully. No harsh glares, just soft, natural light that brightens your space without compromising privacy. The secret lies in the honeycomb design. Not only does it look sleek, it also helps regulate temperature, keeping your room cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, and giving you a little bit of energy savings all year round. Compared to traditional blinds, these cellular shades are quieter, easy to clean, and way more stylish without clanging slats or tangled cords. And when it's time to wind down, they provide just the right amount of privacy without making your space feel closed off. So, do the DEZ cellular shades live up to the hype? Absolutely. They're sleek, functional, and the perfect finishing touch for any window. Ready to upgrade your home with these stylish shades? I'll put a link in the description. Let me know in the comments if you'd give them a try or if you have any questions about installation or sizing.